Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all, finishing up the Tomahawk. Sucker's gonna be sweet. It's not sharp yet, but it will be soon. Oh yeah, that's right. I gotta finish up the handle. Well, I actually gotta start the handle. I haven't even started it. But that's it right there. Nice little Tomahawk. It weighs probably about 1.5 pounds if I had to guess. And this is going to be on auction. First, it's going to, on Saturday night, it's going to a members only auction. If you're not a member, get over there. You're going to get great deals. And first choice on everything. Finishing up a knife too. Oh yeah. It's going to look a lot better than it does right now, so I'm not going to show it too much. But this is almost done. I may throw a layer of paint on it. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do. Probably not though, because I just like the rough look of it. I gotta make the handle like I said. And it will be done. But again, it's just going to be on the members only page on live auction. Of course, members going to get first choice. That's a perk of being a member. If you're not a member, get on over there. You'll save a lot of money if you plan on buying anything. If you don't, then I wouldn't even worry about it. Oh yeah. All right, I gotta get back to work, y'all. Get this handle going. Finish up a knife. I got a couple more to make. Actually a few more to make for a few different people. And hopefully I'll see you there. Saturday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time will be the members only auction. I'm not really sure how that works, but I guess we'll find out then. And then what I've got left, I'm going to do a another one Sunday for everybody else. All right, y'all take it easy. I'm out of here. See you later.